Okay, so let's talk about some of the minor details and troubleshooting tips with taking care of your hot tub. Now, we talk about testing and balancing your pH and alkalinity, so let's talk about what we want those to read out at on your test strips. Now, the pH level in your hot tub ideally will land somewhere in the 7.2 to 7.6 range. Any higher or lower than that, and we want to make adjustments as indicated by the instructions on your pH bottles. For example, on this bottle of pH decreaser, there's a chart here that you can align how many gallons you have in your hot tub versus your pH reading, and it'll tell you how much product to add. Now, your alkalinity level ideally should land in the 80 to 120 part per million range, ideally. Now, what some folks find confusing is that there is an alkalinity increasing product, but we don't sell an alkalinity decreaser. Your pH decreaser product lowers both pH and alkalinity. However, there's a pH increaser and an alkalinity increaser product separately, just sort of how it works. Now, when we use the Silk Balance product, pH balance has a big impact on water clarity and comfort, as it would in any other water care system. However, if you experience a gritty sandpapery buildup on your hot tub, a dry itchy skin, or things like that, many times we want to have you check your pH and alkalinity levels first, as that's a pretty common cause. Now, in order to get the most benefit out of the Silk Balance product, we highly recommend using it with these silver ionizing cartridges so that we have another natural product to help reduce bacteria growth so you're not having to use as much chlorine in the hot tub. We also recommend that your hot tub filters 24 hours a day. If you don't have a hot spring spa, you may not be able to do this with your hot tub, and so the minimum recommendation would be at least 8 hours a day of filtration. So consult your hot tub's owner's manual on how to adjust your filtration settings. Now, the other thing that's highly recommended with Silk Balance, again, to reduce the amount of chlorine and chemicals needed, is to have an ozone generating device installed in your hot tub. Now, most folks who've purchased a hot tub through Mountain Hot Tub will already have this, especially if they have a hot spring spa. If you're not sure, get in touch with us or consult your local dealer.